Can we pay with Remitly on Binance? Today we are going to find out if we can pay with Remitly on Binance. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Remitly website. So I'm just going to sign into my account. After logging into my account, I will be able to see these options. So suppose I want to send money and I want to transfer money from Binance. So I'm just going to click on this. It will just load. It is actually loading, and it will take some time to load. And as you guys can see, it have been loaded successfully. So I'm just going to add the amount of money that I want to send, what they will receive. And as you guys can see, the fee is $2. So I'm just going to click on this continue. And here I have to, add the bank account or cash App or mobile. So I'm just going to, do this randomly. So suppose I want to do this randomly and I have to add the IBAN number as well. After that, you have to add your payment method. Well, in the payment methods, you cannot directly use Binance. So how can you do that? You just need to, withdraw your money from Binance and add it to your bank account. After that, you can simply use the bank account in the Remitly. So there is no way that you can directly link Binance Pay with Remitly. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. I hope you guys find this video helpful.